So one of my favourite hobbies is looking at the discount section, and we've got some quite good deals here. Sweet peas £2. These are quite nice. Look, eyebrows £4, £3. We've got some cabbages, look, £2. We'll have a look over this side. These are quite nice. Pansies, £2.50. These lilies are amazing. Look at these. These are really good. But we've noticed tomatoes. So tomatoes are difficult to grow, and these are selling at 50p. They're a bit straggly, but for 50p or £1, it's not a bad deal. So I'm just going to have a look. So the varieties we've got here are Elsa Craig, Shirley, Modus, Shirley, Alicante, and a couple of cherries. So I'm going to have a look through these and see what they got. They're looking at a good plant, just a bit straggly, but tied up once planted against a cane or pole. I'm sure that'd be fine. So they're pretty good. They just can't sell them as being a nice straight plant. So I'm going to have a sort out. So we made our choices and we bought 2 tomato Modus, a mini plum, 2 Alicante, 2 Elsa Craig, 1 tomato black cherry, 1 tomato sweet William, and these 2 tumbling Tom reds. You've got the stems cut, I assume they will grow on, and all these cost a sale discount £5. Not bad. So is buying plug plants cheating? Well, not really. It gets the same job done at the end of the day, and buying your plug plants, your pre-made plants, gives you a bit more variety, but it's all personal choice. It can save a bit of time. These are the tumbling Tom tomatoes, and we've got our hanging basket, and just adding tomatoes to the basket, it takes seconds. With tomatoes, you have to have the right heat, the right growing conditions, the right light. If you're doing them early, then all the hassle can be taken out with just buying an individual plug plant. So I've got 2 in the hanging basket here, and these are tumbling Tom. Also, Alicante, this was 50p. It's a bit wiggly and a bit wandly, so I'm just going to pot this one up. Using a bigger pot. These are going to stay in the greenhouse just for a wee bit longer before they go to the allotment. The Alicante are going to go inside, and the Shirley are going to go outside. They're buying Shirley? Didn't buy Shirley. They had Shirley ones. I need to find a one for the outside. So I'm just taking this deep pot. Could do with a deeper pot really. I use this pot here can have a nice deep pot then. And we can put a whole plant in this pot, bury it nice and deep. So growing tomatoes, chilies, peppers can get a bit awkward if you've not got a greenhouse or a cold room, a cold house. Potting them up. There we go. And then we need our label, Alicante. So just buying the pots is an easy, quick, straightforward way, and there, within seconds, I've got a nice tomato plant growing. These are going to be put in the greenhouse on the polytunnel at the allotment, but just to save them being a bit more windy, just going to add a few more in these pots. Potting these up. They could be sown quite deep, but straight in. Compost all around. We've got some nice tomato plants. Tomatoes have roots all up the stem, so it's just going to make a nice good root structure. There we go. So I'm going to put these into the greenhouse and they can go down to the allotment on our next visit, ready for planting. So if we're buying these for seed, with £2 a packet for each seed, so we could save a little bit of money buying the individual pots. They come round normally £1.50 to £2 per pot, and it is quick and easy, straightforward. There you go. So let me know in the comments, do you buy your vegetable seedlings in ready-made pots at plug plants, or do you grow them from seed? Let me know in the comments, and that'd be great. I look forward to some nice selection of tomatoes in the future.